First, ensure your Sony Bravia TV is running Android TV OS version 5.0 or later. Older models might not be compatible. Open the Google Play Store app on your TV. Use the search function to find Spectrum TV. Select the correct app from the search results. It should be the official Spectrum TV app from Charter Communications. Click Install and wait for the download and installation process to complete. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. After installation, the Open button will appear. Do not open the app just yet. Return to the main home screen. From your Sony Bravia TV's main menu or app drawer, locate and open the Spectrum TV app. The app will prompt you to activate your device. You have two options for activation: using your Spectrum username and password directly on the TV, or using a QR code for faster setup. For QR code activation, select the QR code option and scan the code with your smartphone or tablet. This will redirect you to the Spectrum website where you can log in with your credentials. Once logged in and the device is authorized, the Spectrum TV app on your Sony Bravia will automatically refresh and display your available channels and on-demand content. You should be able to watch live TV and use cloud DVR features.